Mind control isn't science fiction anymore. It just became reality in Shanghai. On December 17th, 2025, the Chinese Academy of Sciences announced something extraordinary. A paralyzed man is now controlling a robot dog, a smart wheelchair, and working a paid job using only his thoughts. This isn't a lab demo, this is real life, and it's changing everything we thought was possible. Let me tell you about Mr. Zhang. In 2022, Zhang fell and suffered a devastating spinal cord injury. Overnight, he lost all movement below his neck. For over a year, he went through conventional rehabilitation. Nothing worked. He could move only his head. Everything else was gone. Then, in June 2025, doctors at Huashan Hospital in Shanghai implanted a revolutionary brain-computer interface into his brain. 64 ultra-thin electrodes, each just 1% the width of a human hair, connected directly to his motor cortex. After just weeks of training, something incredible happened. Zhang can now navigate his neighborhood in a smart wheelchair, completely independently. He orders takeaway food, and a robot dog fetches it from his doorstep and brings it inside. He controls his tablet, browses the internet, and operates smart home devices. But here's the part that makes history. Zhang is now employed. He works as a remote product sorter using a mind-controlled cursor to verify dispensing from vending machines. He's the first brain-computer interface trial participant in the world to perform paid work. I am currently an intern sorter, Zhang says. Every day I have to use a computer to control the cursor and sort the products. It's a bit difficult, but for me, it's a valuable opportunity. So how does this actually work? The system is called WRSO-1, developed by Shanghai NeuroAccess and the Center for Excellence in Brain Science and Intelligence Technology. It's fully implanted and completely wireless. The electrodes in Zhang's brain detect his neural signals, transmit them wirelessly to processors, and decode his intentions in real time. Here's what makes it revolutionary. The signal delay is under 100 milliseconds. That's actually faster than the 200 milliseconds it takes a normal person's brain to send commands to their muscles. Zhang thinks about moving left, and the wheelchair responds instantly, faster than your own body would. The team achieved 4 major breakthroughs. High-compression neural signal extraction that works even in noisy environments, an online recalibration system that improves with use, ultra-low latency wireless transmission, and a universal control protocol that works with any smart device. Now you might be thinking, wait, doesn't Elon Musk's Neuralink do this? Here's the difference. Neuralink's patients can play video games and control computer cursors. Impressive, but limited to screens. Zhang is controlling physical robots in the real world and performing paid employment. China's system has moved from digital interfaces to real-world independence. The lead researcher, Zhao says they're building a universal interface to convert all brain control instructions into commands for any smart device. The goal isn't just to help patients play games, it's to give them their lives back. And this is just the beginning. The team plans to enroll 30 to 50 patients in 2025. They're targeting market approval by 2028. The global brain-computer interface market is projected to grow from $2.6 billion in 2024 to $12.4 billion by 2034. For millions living with spinal cord injuries, double amputations, and ALS, this technology represents hope. Zhang puts it simply, what excites me most is this connected sound. It seems to have reconnected what has been severed over the years. A man who couldn't move anything below his neck is now working, ordering food, and navigating his world independently, all with the power of thought. The future just arrived, and it's more incredible than we imagined. For more groundbreaking robot stories, visit MyRobot.shop. Any failure at any stage meant mission failure. One broken sensor, one miscalculation, one moment of confusion, and the robot was done. The competition put perceptual robustness, decision-making intelligence, and system stability to the ultimate test. 13 teams competed, representing leading universities and research laboratories across North America, Europe, and Asia. Some competitors were just 19 years old. The judging panel included 70 world-renowned experts, including Li Huaxi, Fellow of the Singapore Academy of Engineering, and Masayoshi Tomizuka, Fellow of the U.S. National Academy of Engineering. Tomizuka captured why this matters. Real-world environments are full of uncertainties. ATEC 2025 provides a proving ground to prepare robots and AI for real-world deployment.